Want to make $50 or $100 per day just by walking around town? It's no joke. There's an app, Gigwalk, that pays you to do simple tasks. Take a picture of a storefront, check prices, or even rate service. All you need is your smartphone and some free time. Let's break down how it works. Gigwalk is a platform for small jobs. Companies post requests, and you simply choose what you're interested in. For example, you need to check the price tag in a store or take a photo of a storefront. You get paid from $5 to $100 for this. Everything is very simple, and you decide which tasks to take. Getting started with Gigwalk is easier than you think. Here's what you need to do. Download the app from Google Play or the App Store. Sign up for an account and connect PayPal. Open the job card, choose the right one, and follow the instructions. Complete the task, upload the report, and that's it. The money is yours. Even if you have a day job, a couple hours a day can bring in $50 to $100. It all depends on your time and activity. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you soon.